Do you struggle with face problems like acne, dryness, or dull skin? Wondering how to achieve that flawless, glowing complexion? Stay with us because we'll reveal the ultimate solutions for these common issues at the end of this video. Welcome to Remedy You, your trusted guide for effective home remedies and skincare tips. Today, we're tackling some of the most common face problems and sharing practical solutions to help you feel confident in your skin. Let's start with acne, a concern for so many of us. Did you know that clogged pores and excess oil production are the primary culprits? To combat acne, cleanse your face daily with a mild, non-comedogenic cleanser and use natural remedies like aloe vera or tea tree oil to reduce inflammation. Next, dryness and dullness, two issues that can make your skin feel rough and lifeless. Hydration is key. Drink plenty of water and don't forget to moisturize your skin with ingredients like hyaluronic acid or natural oils, such as coconut or almond oil. You can also try a homemade honey mask for a quick hydration boost. Let's not forget sun damage and early signs of aging. Always apply sunscreen, even on cloudy days, to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. For anti-aging benefits, incorporate antioxidants like vitamin C into your routine. It helps brighten the skin and reduces fine lines. Solving face problems starts with a consistent skincare routine and using the right remedies. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Thank you for watching Remedy You. What face problem would you like us to cover next? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and visit our website, remedyu.com, for more amazing tips and remedies. See you next time.